In this short screencast, I will explain how you can use your school mailbox and our online platform Canvas in such a way that these tools support you to approach your study in a structured way. Welcome to this video. Welcome at the start of the road to a more organized approach. Are you a person who likes to go about things in an efficient way? Then this video will help you strengthen your good habits or build new routines. Do you rather feel like this? Have emails, announcements, and assignments been building up? Do you feel like it's getting out of control and you're missing out on important information? Maybe you've been fooling yourself and letting things escalate. Have you reached a point where you're done trying to pretend everything is fine and you're ready to take action and do something about it? Then this video is exactly what you need to. My tips are very straightforward and will help you to find your way out of the current mess you're in. Together we'll create order, structure, and good habits. That might take a lot of time and effort if you have been neglecting your mailbox and Canvas for a while. But you'll see it's worth all of that time. Let's start with your mailbox. Make sure to check it daily. You'll find it useful to create folders. For example, one folder per subject and an additional general folder for emails that don't belong to a specific subject. Of course, you can also create more folders just like you want. Check online if you like to have more information on how to create them. Is your inbox full at the moment? Then take your time, even if it takes hours, to go through all those emails. Don't waste time on what belongs to the past. Delete all emails that were never of any use to you and emails that are no longer needed. Consider unsubscribing for newsletters and updates that you're not interested in. There will, of course, also be a lot of emails containing information that might come in handy in the future. Keep those. Drag them into the folders that you created. Does an email still require a short answer, and can you take care of that within 2 minutes? Then do so straight away and drag the email to the right folder. You can leave emails in your inbox that require a longer answer or that contain information that you want to be reminded of in the very near future. The aim is to keep your inbox as empty as possible at all times. You might even get to enjoy this wonderful view. Let's move on to the platform Canvas. On your dashboard, you can see the courses that you're most interested in. If you find that there are too many courses on your dashboard, you can actually select what appears there. Go to Courses, then All Courses, and click on the stars in front of the courses that you would like to see appear on your dashboard. You can just change whatever is available on your dashboard right now if you prefer to do that. Check your courses regularly, preferably on a daily basis. You will find that there's plenty of useful information there, especially the announcements can come in handy. Lecturers use Canvas and your email to provide very important and often last-minute information. Go check out what they have put there and you will find maybe keys to exercises, PowerPoint presentations, example questions, and so on. Very useful to check regularly. Very often students feel like they miss out on important information. Then often I check with them and we find that lots of announcements haven't been read. You can see that by the bullet in front of the announcement. So do click on everything and check out what's there. Make notes while you're doing that and you'll find that many of your questions might simply already been answered. Always remember that your school email and the platform Canvas are the tools your lecturers use to reach out to you with useful and sometimes last-minute information. That makes it crucial for you to make use of these essential communication channels. Don't make yourself miss out on that. Do you feel like doing more to get organized? then getting things done, David Allen's famous method to create structure is a wonderful start. His book contains an incredible amount of practical tips and tricks to organize your life. You can also find a TED Talk online. Good organizational habits might be new for you. Maybe you've been struggling with making the switch to higher education or digital education. You might wonder if you're even up for it. Don't worry. Remember, those who manage best to be flexible and to adapt to new circumstances will succeed. Good luck.